This is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily convert to and from Julian dates. A Julian date is the number of days since the beginning of the Julian period, which is 1st of January 4713 BC. While Julian dates aren't very human friendly, they're useful for computers as they're compact and you can easily subtract one from another to get a difference in days. I'm going to demonstrate this conversion on an Excel file, but Easy Data Transform could also do the same thing for CSV, XML, JSON and various other format files. Here we have an Excel file with some customer orders. The dates are recorded as Julian dates. We want to convert this Julian date column into year, month and day while preserving the other columns. Let's drag the file onto Easy Data Transform. An input item has been created. With this input item selected, click the Calculate button to add a Calculate transform. This is going to add a new column. Let's call the column Date. Then we need to make sure Julian day to date is selected and then select the column we want to convert. A new column has been added at the end. This contains the Julian date converted to ISO date format, which is a 4-digit year, then a 2-digit month, and then a 2-digit day of the month, separated by dashes. We can use the date-time format transform to change that to a different date format. So we'll select the column, and here it's being changed to an American style month, day, year format. Or we can change it to a European style format. Note that case is important here, as lowercase m is minutes, not months. See the documentation for more details. Now let's do some housekeeping. We'll remove the column we don't need using the Remove Columns transform. And we want to remove the first column. Then move the new date column to the start using the Reorder Columns transform. Once we've finished transforming our data, we can output it to a new file. We can output to a wide range of data formats including Excel, CSV, XML and JSON, but here we'll choose the Excel format again. And let's look at the file. So here we see our output with the Julian date converted to a standard day, month, year. We can save this sequence into a file to use again. If we want to do the same set of transforms on a different file, we can just click here and choose the different file. If we want to perform the same sequence of transforms on hundreds or thousands of files, we can do it using the batch processing feature. We can also use the Calculate transform to convert back from standard date to a Julian date. So let's just quickly show this. So here we have a column of standard dates at the end. We'll add a Calculate transform, and this time we'll go from date to Julian day. And here you can see it's created a new column at the end with the Julian date converted from the standard date. If the date column wasn't in ISO date format, that is year, month, day, we could convert it to that format using the date-time format transform. This is a very small example, but Easy Data Transform can easily transform datasets with millions of rows. Easy Data Transform can also do sophisticated step-by-step data transformations to clean up, merge, reformat and reshape your data. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.